let's explore plotting the solutions of an equation. Let me first write down 3 equations. In fact, algebraic equations. The variables, let's use x and y. Here's the first one. 3x plus y equals 7. Here's another one. And here's our third one. So an equation. This is algebra. And it's nice here because we can bring in geometry by plotting the solution set. So on this column over here, let's draw, for each equation, the graph of all solutions. So the x-axis is the horizontal axis, the y-axis is the vertical axis, and the graph of this equation, 3x plus y equals 7, is a line. So these green points are exactly the solution set to the algebraic equation. How about for this next one? This one will not be a straight line. Here we'll have what is called a parabola. And finally, in the third example, the graph, it turns out, looks like this. So we can go from the algebra to the geometry by graphing all the solutions to the equation. Let's write down exactly what we mean by a solution to an equation. So they're all the ordered pairs, such that when we take our equation, replace x by the x coordinate and y by the y coordinate, the two sides of our equation are equal in value. Let's do an example. Let's take our first equation, 3x plus y equals 7. Let's pose the following question. Is -1, 3 a solution? Well, being a solution means that when we replace x by -1 and y by 3, the two sides are equal. So we have to see whether the two sides are equal after those substitutions. The left-hand side becomes 0. So is 0 equal to 7? And the answer is no. This ordered pair is not a solution. How about 2, 1? X gets replaced by 2, y gets replaced by 1, and is the left-hand side then equal to 7? The left-hand side will be 6 plus 1. Is that equal to 7? 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is a solution. So the question that faces us is the following. What is an efficient way to come up with all solutions to an equation? Clearly, it would not make sense to try to take one ordered pair at a time, see whether it's a solution. That wouldn't make sense because we could never exhaust all possible ordered pairs. So we need to come up with an efficient way to express all solutions. Specifically, how can we draw the graph of an equation by hand? To do this, we will first develop some properties of an equation. It turns out that these properties have a geometric interpretation. That is reflected in the graph.